The documents were forged. The property belongs to BC and Sei.
BC stood on her father's dusty land, her purse empty, son hungry. Landlord demands rent in 3 days.
What am I to do with land? I can't eat it or pay fees. Maybe I should sell.
Years earlier, before Oluwale died, he had called his closest friend, Tunde.
Tunde, if anything happens to me, promise me one thing.
Anything, my friend.
Tell Busy never to sell this land. Tell her to build on it. One day she will understand why.
I promise.
The next morning, Tunde visited Busy. I heard you're planning to sell the land.
I don't have a choice.
Your late father said you shouldn't sell the land, build on it.
Build with what money?
That night, BC could not sleep. She stared at the land documents.
Daddy, what did you see that I can't see? I won't sell. I'll build.
Using borrowed money, BC built a tiny one-room house, watching every block laid.
Look at her, borrowing money to the matchbox. She should have sold the land. People may laugh today. Let's see who laughs tomorrow.
Three months later, something unexpected happened. A wealthy businessman arrived. Are you the owner?
Yes.
I want to rent the apartment.
Really?
And I'll pay 1 year in advance.
The businessman paid immediately. For the first time in years, BC had money left after paying her bills.
Thank you, God. Maybe my late daddy was right.
Slowly, life changed. Food returned, bills paid, Sei smiled.
Mommy, are we okay now?
We're getting there, my son. BC paid Sei's school fees. As he walked towards school, she felt proud. Study hard. One day you'll understand why we're fighting so hard.
I will, Mommy.
Then disaster came. Government official notice everywhere. Residents panicked.
God, please don't let this be the end.
The demolition project has been cancelled. The government built a new road, land changed, prices soared, and BC finally understood her father's vision.
So this is what Daddy saw.
Madam BC, I'll buy this property today. Name your price.
No,
Think about it.
I already have.
The offers became bigger.
I'm not selling. I'm building.
Years passed. One property became two. Two became three. Three became five. The rental income continued growing.
The same neighbors who mocked her now wanted advice.
Bissy, how did you do it? One property at a time. One good decision at a time.
Tunde became seriously ill. BC, come closer.
There's something your father never wanted you to know until the right time.
What is it?
Your father once owned several properties, but some family members cheated him and took almost everything. His land was the only property they couldn't touch. He wasn't leaving you land. He was leaving you a second chance.
Daddy, They took your wealth, but they won't erase your legacy. I promise.
So property is more than buildings?
Exactly. It's freedom.
Soon Seyi bought his first investment property. Then another. Then another.
Mom, I finally understand.
Good. Now teach your children.
Just when everything seemed perfect, a corrupt relative secretly forged documents.
After all these years, that property will finally be mine.
We worked too hard for this.
Truth always wins.
The documents were forged. The property belongs to BC and Seyi.
Who would have thought one small piece of land could do all this?
Grandma, is it true all this started from one land?
Yes, one land, one decision.
Many people spend their lives searching for wealth, but sometimes wealth begins with a single opportunity. A small gift, a simple decision, and courage can feed generations.